In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change inverted camera on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to head over to settings. On settings, scroll down until you find camera. Here it is. And that's where we can easily find that option. It is called mirror front camera, and by toggling on or off that switcher we can easily mirror in that way our frontal camera. I'm gonna show you how it works. First off, let me take a picture with my frontal camera with that option turned off. I'm gonna take a picture of my remote. As you can see, now text is readable, and now we have a picture of an object in the way we are looking at that object with our eyes. And now let me turn on that option. And now if we take a picture, we can see that now text is mirrored and all the image is mirrored. So that's how we can invert our frontal camera by toggling on just one option. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.